energy at the Avature conference is fantastic. Everyone seems very excited to be here and very excited to talk about their instance and what they're doing in it, and to learn about your instance and what you're doing in it.
My experience thus far at the Avature conference has been amazing. I've been able to meet a variety of other clients and customers that have a wide variety of experience, some technical, some business-wise.
I cannot emphasize enough that if you have not been, just go. The connections that you'll make, not only with the Avature employees themselves, but also just to be in a room with your peers who have the same struggles and same goals as you, has been so beneficial. You should absolutely attend an Avature conference.
I'd give anyone looking to attend the Avature Upfront Conference a piece of advice: come in with an open mind. There's a ton of existing clients that are sharing configuration information and how they've done it, shortcuts, workarounds.
I enjoy the Avature conferences because it allows me to step away from the day-to-day, network with amazing organizations that also use Avature, and really think about the way that we currently do things and figure out if there's a better or faster or less expensive way to bring that back to our organization.